What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. This should be a pretty quick one. I was just curious. I went online and I saw something, so I bought something. It's here, and I want to just talk about something real quick. I don't want to turn this into a crazy thing, but I just want to know. So while browsing, I found these. Okay, these are the Autofiber microfiber detailing glass towel, and this is what they look like. Now, immediately it caught my attention because as of the purchase of the car, I've been buying more green things. And not that I'm obsessed with the color green, but I'm just, color coordinating life. That's what we do when we're mentally damaged, like myself. So I went and I bought this. And when it arrived, I started to notice something. Because the way it folded, the way it looked, the way it felt, the thickness, the sewn edges, a lot of things seemed a little similar, a little too similar. So I have other towels from the rag company called the FTW towels, right? I guess it was supposed to be for the win or for the windows, whatever the hell you want to talk about. They do have 3 colors. They got the blue, they got the orange, and they got the pink or purple, whatever the one. I don't have that one. I'm not saying that there's anything wrong with that. It just doesn't flow with what I got going on back there. So I don't know. You tell me. Are we dealing with a towel? I mean, odds are you know the answer. I know the answer, right? We're just gonna check real quick. Are we dealing with a towel that's like basically the same? I don't know. And I figured if it popped up in my head, maybe it would pop up in yours. It feels very similar, but it's also hard to talk about this 100% because these are also brand new. So if you come in here, the problem I have is my other towels are washed, right? So they might feel different. The texture might be different. They are a little bit more used, but there's just a lot of similarities. Real quick, what I want to do is I just want to spray window cleaner on my back window for a second. Wipe it off with one towel. Spray window cleaner on the other side. Wipe it off with the other towel. Is it a scientific test? No goddamn way. Not at all. No, but I just want to see. They feel the same. I think even on the website, they were, I don't know, man. They feel, I don't know. It's like the butt dyno in a car. Is it scientific? I don't know. Is it a real thing? I don't know. It might be. And my buddy just sends me a message that he still somehow is getting Strawbango margarita. How? How is that possible? I don't want to waste my review on the Built Amber Traceless, so I'm just going to pop this off real quick. This was in my monthly box. It's a very solid window cleaner, so let's just check it out real quick. Let's see. Curious. Just for heads up, as a window cleaner towel, this is fine. I don't particularly want to use these. I have other ones that just came not long ago. There's a lot of videos I'm going to be talking about. So if you are in the mood to do a lot of content about windows, trust me, there's going to be a lot of content about windows coming. Where is it? Oh, there's all kinds of towels that I put out here. Is it stored here normally? No, because that looks like ridiculousness. But I just wanted to see. This video was mostly just to be like, oh, is this the same towel? So let's start with the fact that my windows aren't that dirty. There's like a little bukkake stainage here. Nothing crazy. I'm gonna give this a quick shake. We're gonna do 4 sprays. Is this scientific? No. Stop thinking it is. We're just gonna go like this. We're gonna box out this nonsense, and then we're gonna just see. And then we're gonna go over it again real quick on the other side. Now, what do I look for when I'm messing around with a glass cleaning towel? I don't want any damn lint. I don't want any damn streaking. Now, when it comes to the streaking, obviously one other thing that we got to deal with here is the product itself. Does the product suck? I don't know. It might. That just, that was extra easy to do. So, let's go like this. That went right in my mouth because it's windy. Real stupid thing to do. Stunad. Here we go. Box out. Let's go. Now, I'm only going to be doing a test with the blue one because, to me, blue is the original reason that the FTW would have been that. I think they were also doing a video at one point where they were like, oh, blue for glass cleaner, and then they were talking about orange for a certain thing, and the purple or pink, whatever, for another thing. So this glass cleaner is a solid glass cleaner. We'll be doing a video on that at some point. But do I notice a difference? Not in the least bit. Do I think it's the same freaking towel? I do. I do. I think it's the same freaking towel. Does that matter? No. What's the point of this video? I have no idea. I kind of just wanted to show you. Because if I was curious about it, if my little pea brain was thinking about it, maybe your pea brain was thinking about it as well. Is there a reason to do this when I just did this? No, because these are the same freaking towel. I know they're the same towel. This is trying to say it's not the same towel. It's like, hey, I'm my own person. But it's not its own person. It's the same damn person. And this just goes back to the whole conversation about, you know, everybody's the same. It doesn't matter about the color of your skin or the color of your fabric. We're all here for the same purpose. We're all here to clean windows, okay? We're all glass cleaning towels. And that's why there shouldn't be any racism or hate in the world, okay? It doesn't matter what color you are. We all do the same shit, okay? This is definitely the same towel. I mean, come on. This is ridiculous. Like I said, I'm not going to look at this. I just want to see something here. Let's open this up. What's going on? Are they dropping bombs out there? I'm hearing noises. Like, I don't know. You know, you tell me. It's just like, it's like, hold on. Wait, you know what'll be a good deciding thing here? Wait a minute. We're going to... Usually... If you want to start looking at what companies do at the end, see how this looks like an old lady's like friggin' wrinkly skin fold here, like an elephant fold. It's the same tile off there, right? It's like the same border size here. Let me see. Is it really? Wait a minute. I think. Methinks it is. Is that a problem? No, it's not a problem. It's really not a problem. It matters nothing. In the game of life, everybody's winning. I think the cool part about this is if you do like the FTW towels, if you F with the FTW towel, and you just happen to be like me and you just want other colors, then maybe you just found yourself a green FTW towel. I think it's the same exact towel until proven otherwise. I know somebody's going to come out and be like, no way, Jose, not it. But, you know, in my head, with my frontal lobe damage, same shit, Batman. So, yeah, I think it's awesome. Go on Autofiber if you want this. Go on Red Company if you want this. In my opinion, get both. I like them both. I like colors. I like options. If you're like me, then you like colors. You like options. And you also probably like to spend an absurd amount of money on colors and options. Because what other reason is there? Otherwise, we would have just one friggin' color and one friggin' option. And that's no fun. I love you all. And if you are new to the channel, I hope you would consider subscribing. If you are an OCD OG, I truly appreciate you. And I hope everybody's staying happy, healthy, and humble. So real quick, though, down below, just let me know. I mean, like I said, I don't have the pink one, but are you team pink/purple, whatever the hell that color is? Are you team orange? Are you team green? Or are you team blue? What team are you? Which one? Let me know. Talk to you later. Bye.